Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to review Playdeem application. Is it worth trying in this year? Let's find out. So the Playdeem app is a new platform designed to make entertainment and learning more fun and interactive. In this year, many people are looking for apps that can give them not only enjoyment but also useful features for daily life. Playdeem promises to combine games, activities, and tools in one place. So this review will explain to you what the app does, its strengths, and what users should know before trying it. So Playdeem is an app that brings together different kinds of digital content. It offers casual games, social interaction, and sometimes educational features. The design of the app is simple, which makes it easy to use even for beginners. You do not need to be very tech savvy to explore its feature. So one of the best part about Playdim is its variety. You can find fun games that are great for passing time, but you may also discover activities that help with learning or creativity. The application tries to balance entertainment with productivity, which makes it appealing to a wide audience. Another strength of Playdim is that it works well on most smartphones and tablets. It does not take up too much storage space, and it usually runs smoothly without many glitches. Users also like that updates are frequent, keeping the content fresh and interesting. On the downside, Playdim may not have the same depth or polish as larger well-known applications. Some of the games and features can feel simple compared to the bigger platforms. Also, depending on your region, not all content may be available. But overall, the Playdim application is fun and easy way to enjoy casual games and activities on your phone. It is user-friendly, lightweight, and updates often, making it a good choice for people who want something simple yet engaging. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.